My lord, justice.
Mr. Bakshi, anything you want, you give in writing.
Huh?
Because if you want anything, you give it in writing. We are
My
not.
lord, please kindly. Justice is my fundamental right.
You please give it in writing. I will consider.
Letter submitted to you till date did
No.
not responded. I request to you assign this matter to any single bench on an urgent basis to uphold the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court.
All right, you give that letter, I will do it.
You set aside the Honorable Supreme Court judgment, harass and heckle me, continue years after years. Three cases, style stop. What is the reason?
You please give the letter, whatever you want to say,
16,
and you give it to
16 June letter submitted, did not respond your office.
all right.
Continue phone.
You give one more copy today to the OSD.
আমি এখানে অনশন করবো বসে যতক্ষণ না অ্যাসাইন হবে।